All right, today we're going to practice our change in rate, the slope formula. Yesterday we looked at a line with a constant rate on a graph, such as this, that was saying this is the amount of time in hours, and then this was the amount of inches of snow, and it was going up at the same rate. And then we calculated what the distance between the 2 points were. You guys saw the pattern. And we also looked at how that was called the change in this way. All right, so the change in y. All right, so that's a little delta symbol, sign symbol for change over the change in x. And it's also known as the rise. How high does it go up? Over the run. All right, so today we're going to just work on the formula, making sure that we're doing it the right way, setting it up the right way. So very important that we are plugging numbers in correctly. All right, so here we go. Let's start with our y2 and our x2. Okay, so look at it this way. All right, let's set it up. So our second set of numbers are going to be that. Remember, y is the second one, x is the first one. All right, and now I'm going to do my first set, my y1s. All right, so y1 and then x1 goes here. And then I solve. Okay, so very important when you have, like, when you're subtracting the negatives, that you have it set up the right way, because then you can just solve going across. And there's problems that happen when people try to do one number at a time as they're doing the formula. They go back and forth, go back and forth. That's why I say, you know what, just start with that second number, get them there vertically, then go to the first one, get them there. You can start with the first one, but what happens then is sometimes we make mistakes when we go across. So just start with the second set, and it's usually the higher numbers, not always, because if you have a negative slope, it's going to have a smaller number in the second set, but usually, at least for these beginning lessons, get used to putting the second numbers first, and that will help you set this up a good way. All right, so any questions, let me know. Just finding these out today should be a good score. Just type your work here. If you want to do it in a different way, take a screenshot and use a marker. That's completely fine too.